With trade wars, rising taxes, and global economic challenges, businesses everywhere are adopting AI to optimize processes, cut costs, ensure sustainability, and improve quality like never before. The harsh reality is clear. Businesses that fail to embrace AI risk falling behind. With restricted budgets and increasing competition, the need for agility and innovation has never been more urgent. That's where Hyba Enterprises comes in. We specialize in helping businesses harness the transformative power of artificial intelligence, tailor-made for your unique challenges. From brainstorming strategies to building custom solutions, we're here to streamline your operations and drive sustainable growth. Logistics. Dubai, UAE. In a major logistics hub, we worked with a regional leader to build a custom AI-driven fleet management platform. The solution optimizes delivery schedules, tracks vehicle performance, and automates reporting, saving time, reducing costs, and improving efficiency. Healthcare. Toronto, Canada. For a leading healthcare startup, we developed a HIPAA-compliant AI-powered telemedicine platform that enhances diagnostics and connects seamlessly with electronic health records, revolutionizing patient care with secure, smart technology. Retail. London, UK. We helped an established retail chain leverage AI for customer insights. The analytics platform delivers personalized recommendations, forecasts demand, and optimizes inventory management, helping them build stronger customer relationships and boost profitability. Real estate. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. We created a VR property tour platform tailored for a real estate client that allows prospective buyers to explore properties remotely. Integrated with their CRM system, it enhances customer engagement and drives faster decision-making in the competitive Gulf real estate market. Manufacturing. Detroit, USA. A manufacturing firm in America's industrial heartland needed help reducing downtime. We built a predictive maintenance platform using AI and IoT sensors, preventing equipment failures, saving costs, and boosting productivity. RFQ automation. Saudi Arabia. In collaboration with a Gulf-based industrial leader, we built a smart RFQ automation platform leveraging AI. It matches technical specifications with their standard product series, highlights near-match options, or recommends skipping the quote. This solution saved engineers hours of manual effort and greatly improved accuracy, encouraging us to expand similar solutions across the region. At Hyba Enterprises, we believe AI isn't just for tech giants. It's for every company looking to adapt, optimize, and thrive. Whether you're in logistics or healthcare, retail, or manufacturing, looking for innovative solutions like smart software performing RFQ analysis, summarization, and product selection, we're already helping businesses like yours create their AI-powered future. Let AI work for you. Connect with Hyba Enterprises now, and let's brainstorm how we can transform your business process with AI to achieve better quality, reduced costs, and long-term resilience.